Hey guys, I want to take some time and talk to you about how to do our weekly discussion questions. So once you get into your Google Classroom, it'll take you right to the stream, and I need you to flip right over to classwork and then slide down until you see the discussion question instructions. That's what we'll read over together first, and I'm also going to attach this video here with the instructions, and then I'll show you where the questions are and how to answer them. So click on that for more information. And it says that each week you are required to answer 5 discussion questions. These are mandatory, they're not optional. Um, the questions are going to be posted 1 through 5 in order under the classwork tab under each week and the topic. It says that each answer to your discussion question should be 3 full sentences. You're required to comment on 2 different students' answers. So pick 2 different comments that you see, 2 different answers that you see, and then comment on those students' responses. Make sure, though, as a side note, that your answers are really thoughtful. Your comments and responses are thoughtful, respectful, relevant, and appropriate. And I've attached kind of a picture of what a good discussion would look like. And so you can take a second and look at this. You'll see that there's a question, then someone answers. And now you can see that someone is responding. They can ask more questions in their response. They can add to somebody else's response. So read over this if you're not sure really how to answer and respond to these questions. So to get to your questions, you're going to have to go to our classwork and slide down, and then you'll see discussion questions. I'll have a question mark right next to it, and I have 1 through 5 in order. So once you get to the discussion question that you want to answer, and you can really answer these in any order as long as all 5 are done by the end of the week. So you'll click on the question, and then it will tell you a question. It says, what are the steps to finding the density of a solid? What is the density of the solid object attached in the photo? And so you can click on the photo, and we're going to find the density for this object, and you're going to explain the steps you took to find the density of this object. There's also a video attached here in case you don't remember how to calculate density. That's fine. This is a little video showing you how. So you'll notice once you click view question, you can get an area to actually answer. It'll look a little different from mine, but it lets you make a class comment, add a comment. Okay, so this is how we would start our discussions. And then you should be able to look at student answers as well, and then you can reply to those student answers. So first you have to find the volume, next you find the mass, and then you divide the mass by the volume. And so I can make a comment. That is correct. Very good job. And so you have options of how you want to respond, just as long as you're being respectful. If you have any more questions about doing our discussion questions, then feel free to email me or comment, and then I will try my hardest to help you.